Okay, and welcome back to Designing with Reggie, Japanese Drape Part 2. Remember what I said about how these are going to post. So we've done everything that we're supposed to do in Part 1. Now, here comes the fun part. You see all of this muslin right here? Well, we're going to use that. What I need you to do is go to the point right here. You see that? That's the on the bias right there at the point. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring this all the move the front pin drape out of the way. Bring this all the way up to the shoulder right there. And then what you're going to do is join the front to the back, just like this. You're joining the front to the back. Still one piece of fabric. Keep pinning. Do it again. Until you get to your shoulder, the end of your shoulder, and you are there. Now, I want to show you what's about to happen. Do the same thing with this side. Bring this around, pin the shoulders together. Just like this. Pin the shoulders together. You know what? I think I made a mistake. I did make a mistake. So, but that's all about it. That's all about the learning process. You make mistakes, you can correct them easily. Remember that corner I told you to hold? You're supposed to bring that corner all the way up to here. So if you look inside, this is the waistline. You want to bring it all the way up to where that waistline is right there. And then you do the same thing. You pin it in the center. And then you do what we always do, our, clip and awl method. See, look, see, I did the same thing to the back that I did to the front. So we're going to go down here, clip, 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 all the way to the base of the neck, which is right there, okay? Now we can go and join the front to the back, okay? But we can see all this right here? We don't need all that. So let's go ahead and cut that off. Cut it straight across like that. Get rid of it. We're done. Now pin the front to the back, like that. Pin the front to the back, right on the sides, right on the shoulder seam. And then turn. You have a little tension here. Let's get rid of that tension, just like that, okay? Then you're going to turn it around and do the same thing with the other side. You're going to pin the front to the back, just like this. Okay, you see, are you following me? I'm pinning the front panel to the back panel. Now, I'm going to show you what just happened. You're not going to believe it. I'm going to get rid of this because I don't need that right there. I'm going to get rid of this excess right here because I don't need that. I'm going to get rid of the excess in here because I don't need that. Now, watch this. Let me scoot her back so you can see what's about to happen. See how this is draping? See the drape? Just let it fall and just go ahead and fix your drape. Let it fall just like that. And if it's not falling the way you want it to fall, you can actually bring it up some more. You can actually bring it up some more, like I just did. I brought it up some more. And there we go. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just draped right across. It just draped on its own. It draped on its own. And this is the sides. The side. Let's go ahead and pin on this side. And there we go. Isn't that amazing? It draped on its own. See? It draped on its own. And this is the arm piece right here. This is where your arm's going to go. And this basically it draped on its own. Amazing. I know. One piece of fabric. I'll be back with part 3 in 2 seconds. So stay tuned. Happy designing.